Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile in this 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. So from any screen on the dash here, you've got a voice control here, voice prompt.
Link system ready.
Setup.
Select one of the following: pairing options, confirmation prompts, language, password, select phone, or select music player.
Pairing options.
Select one of the following: pair, edit, delete, list, or set code.
Pair.
Start pairing procedure on the device. See the device manual for instructions. The pairing code is 2010.
Okay, so I've put my phone to Bluetooth. It's picked up hands-free here. I'll click on hands-free. It said 2010 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Hands-free connected.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
Barry's iPhone.
Adding.
Barry's iPhone.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Pairing complete. Would you like to import the contacts from your mobile device now? This may take several minutes.
No, thank you.
Pairing complete.
So there you see.
Would you like to import the contacts from your mobile device now? This may take several minutes.
No. Right, okay, so that's it done. You see there, hands-free connected.